So for our little meal, we're going to be making avocado on toast. And so what you're going to be needing for that, you can use any type of bread. I got a couple avocados, but I only used one. You need salt and pepper, and if you want, you can put lime in it, which makes it taste amazing. So the easiest way to get the avocado on the bread, instead of mixing it in a bowl separately, you can actually just scrape off a piece of avocado. My avocado is a little bruised looking, but it's honestly going to taste really good. And what you do is you put it on the bread, and the easiest way to do it is to kind of use your fork and just mush it into the bread. So at this point your bread is toasted. I forgot to add that earlier. You're going to toast any just normal piece of bread, whatever bread you want to use. And I'm just mushing it in. And once you get it to whatever sort of thickness or consistency you want, you're going to get your salt and your pepper, however much you want to put on. I like a lot. And for the lime, you can either use a fresh lime that you cut, or if you have lemon juice or lime juice, you can use that too. And once you have all your ingredients on and you're done mixing it in and you think it looks pretty enough to eat, you're all ready and you can enjoy.